Want to make restaurant-quality sushi at home? Today, we're breaking down pro techniques for perfect sushi rice, rolling and slicing so you can master sushi like a chef. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're learning how to make sushi at home. From preparing the perfect rice to rolling classic sushi like a pro. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the perfect sushi rice. Use Japanese short grain rice. It's stickier and holds together better. Wash the rice until water runs clear. Removes excess starch for the right texture. Cook in a rice cooker. Easiest way to get perfect, evenly cooked rice. Season with sushi vinegar. Mix rice vinegar, sugar, and salt for authentic sushi rice. Step 2. Choosing sushi fillings. Classic cucumber roll. Kappamaki. Fresh, crunchy, and simple. Tuna roll. Tekkemaki. Rich, meaty, and packed with umami. Other options. Salmon, avocado, spicy mayo, or cooked shrimp. Step 3. Rolling sushi. Like a pro. Use a bamboo mat. Makisu. Helps shape the perfect roll. Lay nori shiny side down. Gives a smooth, even texture on the outside. Spread rice evenly. Leave a small gap at the top for sealing. Add fillings at the bottom edge. Prevents overstuffing. Roll tight, using gentle pressure. Ensures even, compact rolls. Step 4. Cutting and plating. Sushi, use a sharp knife. Prevents squishing the roll. Wet the blade before cutting. Stops rice from sticking. Cut in. Even thirds, then halves. Create 6 perfect sushi pieces. Garnish and serve. Pair with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi. Now you know how to make perfect sushi at home. What's your favorite sushi roll? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more Japanese recipes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and kitchen hacks.